O Lord, how many are my foes? Many are rising against me. Many are saying of my soul, there is no salvation for him in God. But you, O Lord, are a shield about me, my glory and the lifter of my head. I cried aloud to the Lord, and he answered me from his holy hill. I lay down and slept. I woke again, for the Lord sustained me. I will not be afraid of many thousands of people who have set themselves against me all around. Arise, O Lord, save me, O my God. For you strike all my enemies on the cheek, you break the teeth of the wicked. Salvation belongs to the Lord. Your blessing be on your people. Selah.
Alright, Ricky, you got this one. Take care of it.
So we need to get back in the car.
That's my house! Sir! That's my house! It's my family!
Sir, I need you to calm down. When you calm down, I'll let you off the hood. And I can answer any questions that you have, alright?
Sir, are you calm? Alright. What's going on? What happened?
Sir, all we know is something hit the house, and there's a fire going on right now. I can't let you in.
How's my family? Do you know anything about them?
Sir, from what I understand, they're alright. You have to talk to the EMTs about that. You want to go see him?
Yeah, can you get him for me?
Yeah, I'll go get him.
Rookie, you got this guy.
Oh God! Please let everybody be okay. Please make it rain. Please rain. Please rain! Doctor, how's my family? Are they okay?
Your family?
Yeah.
There's good news and there's bad news with that. The good news is your son Timmy's fine.
Thank God.
But the bad news is that your son Matthew and wife Susan are both in the hospital from critical condition. Matthew's suffering from major burns all over his body, and Susan has major head trauma from falling debris. Is there a phone number you have that we can use to keep you updated?
Yeah. 574-377-0117. Doctor, are they gonna be okay? They're gonna make it through this, right?
Yeah, they should be fine. It's just, I would honestly say they would have 2 weeks max.
No. What's the best thing I can do, doctor? Is there anything I can do to help? Just let me know.
Pray.
This is Jacob.
Jacob, it's me, John.
Oh, hey, John.
Hey, listen, I just got home and it's burnt out. I'll fill you on the details later. I just need somewhere to be right now. Can I stay over for your house for a little bit?
Well, of course you can.
Are you talking to my parents? Who are you talking to?
Jesus. I'm talking to Jesus. Now go to bed.
Thanks. I'll be over there.
Bye.
So you were talking to Jesus?
God, why did you let this happen? Every night I prayed for my family's protection, and the one night I'm late, they're in danger. God, where are you? You don't know how much this means to me.
Dude, your family. Just go ahead and get settled. Tell me what happened.
Both of them are in the hospital right now. Susan has some head trauma due to falling debris, and poor Matthew's covered in burns from the explosion.
What happened to make it catch fire?
I don't know. There's no real clear answer to that. Something fell from the sky and it caused an explosion. They told me they would keep me updated, but I haven't heard anything since.
Well, hopefully they'll be alright. What are you gonna do about clothes?
I don't know.
We'll figure this out. In the meantime, you can just wear a couple of mine, alright?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello.
Why aren't you in bed?
Because Uncle Jacob was talking to Jesus on his cell phone.
I tried to get her to go to bed, but she wouldn't.
That's fine. Sally, Mommy's out in the car waiting for us, so we need to go. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. Hey, thanks for watching her. Bye.
Yeah, no problem. See ya.
Hello?
Mr. Adams? This is Dr. Ziegfeld.
Oh, doctor. Yeah?
It appears you have been blessed by the Lord.
What do you mean?
Well, I just got the results back, and your wife and son are coming home. They recovered 100% positive. So, we're just going to run a couple tests on them before they can be released from the hospital, and they should be home in a couple days.
Oh, doctor, thank you for this miracle.
Oh, I didn't perform this miracle, Mr. Adams.
Then who did?
Think about it.